In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to numbers in Google Sheets, with a few extra tips to optimize your experience. Whether you're dealing with imported data or just a case of misformatted numbers, this guide will help you rectify everything quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to open up a Google Sheet where you want to make these changes. If you're working with an existing document, simply navigate to it through your Google Drive, or start a fresh sheet if that fits your needs better. Once inside your Google Sheet, the next step is to select a range of cells that you'd like to convert from text to numbers. Be sure to highlight all the cells that contain the data you need to transform. This initial selection prepares your area of focus, making the following steps more streamlined and effective. Next, direct your attention to the top menu and click on Format. This menu houses various formatting options you can apply to your data. By selecting this, a drop-down menu will appear, offering a suite of options to modify how your data is displayed and processed. From this drop-down, hover over Number. You will notice another menu appearing to the side, showing different number formats available for you to apply. This is crucial because selecting the right format will ensure your data is converted correctly and appears as you intend. Now, among these options, click on Number. This will convert the highlighted text cells into numeric format. It's a straightforward step, but it will ensure your data is recognized as numbers by Google Sheets, allowing you to perform calculations and analytics effectively. But we're not done yet. If there are still numbers stored as text elsewhere in your sheet, select those cells next. It's important to catch every instance of text formatted numbers, ensuring consistency across your data set. In those cases, we'll employ the value function to convert them. Start by typing the formula, which involves entering equal, value, opening parenthesis, reference the cell you want to convert, and then close the parenthesis. This formula explicitly instructs Google Sheets to interpret the data as a number. After entering the formula, hit the Enter key. This action will transform the text of that particular cell into a number, following the logic you've specified. Finally, to save time and effort, use the autofill feature. Click on the small square at the cell's corner where you've implemented the formula and drag it down or across the adjacent cells. This technique efficiently replicates the conversion formula to other cells, streamlining the process across your entire data range. And there you have it, a simple yet effective process to ensure your numbers are accurately formatted and ready for analysis in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you'll have cleaner, more usable data, setting you up for success in whatever projects you're tackling next.